Hi, this is Andy. We're at 604 606 Davis, and we're doing the plumbing in the space in between the ceiling, the suspended ceiling, and the floor for the second floor project that we're doing here. And I feel like we're working in a coal mine here, doing the waste piping now. We had to basically cut out the floor and go into the space that's about 3 feet high. And we're going to come out now. The path of the piping that you just saw will go through this portion of the masonry wall, and then get and pick up the bathroom that is piped over in this section. And then we will follow it through the back and pick it up and drop through a chase space in one of the first floor spaces that we've already created. Okay. And there you have it.